This is Damon Stevens with FinWealth Builders. Today is Sunday, December 12th, 2021, and this is a market prep for our Monday morning trades. So I'm traveling right now, so the microphone might not be the best quality, but wanted to get a video out there for you to have something to look at as you're prepping for your Monday and see what opportunities there might be presented in the marketplace. So let's go ahead and take a look and recap and see what's out there as we see the bull-bear battle going on in the market. Looking at Friday, the close, you can see Dow Jones was up 0.6%, NASDAQ up 0.73%, and S&P 500 up 0.95%. So definitely the bulls are still playing in the market. Still trying to get that year-end rally out of here if we can. And so pending any negative news or major issues going on, we should continue to see a bullish momentum here in the marketplace. Looking at the heat map here, you can see that our FANG stocks did, fairly well overall. Microsoft and Apple obviously leading. Google was just barely up, Amazon barely down. You also see that Tesla was up as well. So definitely overall, the market was positive on Friday, and looking forward to this week being a positive one as well. SM on the scanner, SGMA was our top on the scanner here. Definitely provided a good opportunity here. And let's take a look at these charts and see what we can see here. So you can see here that definitely on this 15-minute chart, you can see here that we definitely had, sorry about getting this, get these out of the way here. So you can definitely see here that SGMA has kind of had its ups and downs. Definitely broke out to new highs here as we moved in into the end of the week here. So we're looking for a continuation, hopefully play. It may pull back a little bit here and retrace, but definitely seeing momentum in SGMA. So we'll see if that gives us some additional run this week, possibly up to, maybe the, 1725, 1750 levels. Going into earnings, it starts to get light here as we get, out of earnings here. There's not a lot of big names here that I'll be looking at this week. So there might be some opportunities maybe on Thursday with Adobe, Accenture, maybe even FedEx, but overall, maybe Trip.com. Overall, I'm not looking at anything major that's like standing out for me as far as potential, high swings in one way or the other. So we'll kind of just monitor that and see if there's opportunities. Looking at Adobe just gave us a nice rally, nice gap up here, back here in early December. And you see here that we tried to break out of the 655 level, came down, tried to break out again, it fell again, pull back down to the bottom of our trend line, which it did, as it gapped up here. You can see that it ran up and we tried to break it again, fell short, back to the 20, and now we're attempting to break it out. So if we can get over the 655 level, hopefully we can take this up to 660, 670, and get additional rally out of here. So it's definitely trying, and so definitely looking for that breakout, hopefully Monday morning. Apple continues just to rocket up here. You can see that it was right in the top of our trend line over the 20. It dipped down a little bit back here, grabbed the bottom of our trend line, and continues to rally back up. So right now it's kind of right in the middle, which is, not the best place to be if you're trying to enter in. If you're in the trade, it's great. Just continue to ride this up. This should hopefully travel up here and, hoping for a rally, at least to 200 possibly, but we're right at the 790. So we got to look for a breakout tomorrow of 780 for a run back up. If it breaks below this 179 level, we could be coming back and retracing this candle here, which would push, down, not quite a point or so. Real support here should be around this level right here at 177, 176. You can see that we had support here, resistance here, but support up here, resistance here. And so if we can pull back at 177, should hold for us. If it doesn't, then we're going to break down possibly 174, but we're looking for a breakup to the upside on Monday. So hopefully it's a positive day for us. AVGO, nice gap up. So I don't know if this will develop into, there's great news on AVGO. They're getting tons of upgrades. So, this could possibly rally. It could stall out. But this could also be what they call an island topper. When you have a stock that's kind of had this nice heavy run like AVGO has, and then all of a sudden you see this big one candle out on its own, unless we get some rallies up here or a dip here to fill in this gap that we have below, this could be possibly an island topper, which means basically it's where the stocks kind of hit its peak, and definitely will be coming down to the south side to fill this gap, and then possibly then some. So we'll see if we get any price action. If we get above 632, maybe we can go to back up here to 644, 645, where we kind of spiked up. So 645 would be the goal if we can kind of rally up tomorrow. If we start to break down this week, then we could come down here and possibly fill this gap, which just could take us, as low as 590. It could take us all week, a few weeks to do this. Not sure how fast we're going to move on this, because this is our first candle, but definitely something to watch to see if this is kind of topping us out right here, and then we just have this big pullback. So be careful if you're trading AVGO, because we're definitely extended past all the moving averages. Microsoft continues to rally. We pulled up here just barely under 350, pulled down, rallying back up here. We're at 342. We're at the top still of our trend line breakout. So we can do that. Hopefully we can rally back up towards 350 and break through that and get new time highs. So looking at watching Microsoft, Oracle hit 106. It hit the top of our trend line. You can see up here, pull back and then try to rally back up. And we just, this hopefully is, bullish here momentum that we're getting built up here to hopefully rally back up here, maybe up to as high as 113. We'll see. Right now it's holding above those moving averages. You just got to see something bust up at least over 104, 105 to rally up past this 106, which will probably be resistance, and then rally up from there. Tesla, continues to ride on this 50. It's making me a little nervous. It's continued to kind of hover and hug this 50. And so if that continues to do so, hopefully this can build momentum to bust up. But, looking at this, it could be possibly bearish here, and we could be breaking down to new lows here off of this current level of 1,000. 1,000 is kind of the line in the sand, but we're sure riding on it 4 times now, 4 days on it. So just be careful if you're trading Tesla, or if you have Tesla longs in there. We got to make sure that we can break back up, above really the 1,200 level to kind of rally back up, towards new highs. And we're just kind of hovering right at that 1,000 mark. So just something to be cautious about. CVX, we can see that it's rallied up here to new highs. So continues to do well. 118, looking for the next level up here to 124, hopefully. You see, we had good support down here. So it's just a matter if we can kind of rally this up and continue to push this up past this 118, hopefully the 124 area. We got an error. All right, well, we'll just skip this one here. Sorry about that. For that to be missed. Okay, so the dollar, looking at the dollar here, continue to consolidate here. So, building pressure here, hopefully to either make a move up or move down here, but we definitely are not moving on the dollar. The VIX had nice, spike through to pull back, below the 20. So that's good. We talked about this on every video. You say below 20, that means we continue to rally up and potentially to new highs. So seeing the VIX down here, as long as it stays down here and doesn't turn around, spike back up, that should help us with having a year-end rally. See the SPY. So 473.54 is a high, and we're at 470.74. So we'll see if we can push up towards this on Monday, and hopefully rally back up towards that high. And possibly, who knows, you could wake up tomorrow and gap above it, or we gap black below. So just be careful. We do have, we do have some areas to close down here as far as gaps. So that's a possibility as well. But still looking for that rally if the VIX will stay down. Triple Qs, you can see here, we're rolling back up towards our trend line here, upper trend line, and failed. And now we're trying to rally again. So we'll have to see if we can, break through this area here, this resistance area, 400, and go back up to 402, and then hopefully up to 408 at some point. Semiconductors pull back a little bit. It's kind of consolidating here, trying to gain enough pressure to bust up here, hopefully to the north side. IWM continues. It tried to rally up and found weakness and pull back again down to a support line. So hopefully we can bounce off the support line and travel back up, but definitely IWM is still struggling with us here. XLF, the financials, kind of flat here, consolidating as well. Bitcoin tried to rally up here, got just above that 50, right where the 200 is, and got rejected. It kind of tried to do it again for a second day, got rejected. So we're kind of right in this little channel here. So we'll see if what it takes for Bitcoin to get moving here again. Ethereum, looking at Ethereum here, you can see that we're right on this 100, and you see we bounced off this several times, kind of creating a little channel here. We really got to break above this 1455 level so we can start to rally back towards 4200 and above. But right now we're just kind of chopped, so just be careful here on Ethereum. So we're trying to get some direction here on it. Etsy should not be on there. So I have a couple of charts on here. So Rose is one that had hit a new high here. We talked about it a while ago, and hit that 47 mark, pull way back down. Now it's trying to rally back up. We'll see if it can rally up past this 28, go back towards the this level around 36 to 42. Obviously, we want to get 42 and hold that if we want to start to rally towards new highs. But Rose, keep an eye on that one. Gala, so this is one we've been in, and it did have a hit the top and pulled quite a bit back, and then it's trying to rally back up here. So we'll see if it can get above this 60 cents level, and then hopefully 65, and then rally back up here towards 75, and then 85. So it's about every 10 cents you can see that it's kind of blocking out there. Luna, so Luna has done well for us in the past. Have a little bit of pullback here, so double top, pull back, hopefully find support here on the 20 and rally back up towards new highs again. So in sand's the other one that we've been trading. So pulled most of it out of here, waiting for this pullback here. We got the pullback, starting to rally back up here. If I can get another day above the 20 here, looking for this to rally back up towards 8 cents, and then hopefully 9 cents and then above. So that's our cryptos, that's our stocks, that's our small caps. Looking for the scanner on Monday to again show us more opportunities in small caps. Hopefully IWM can continue rally back up here for us and give us a stronger market in small caps. But right now it's a little bit weak. But other than that, as long as you're getting opportunities on the scanner every day, that's what we trade, whatever comes our way. So stay safe out there. We'll talk tomorrow night about how these trades went, what additional trades came about during the day, and we'll figure out where the market's going. So just be careful out there. Have a great night and have a great Monday morning trading.